Hello, good morning. Thank you for joining me for another shave. Today is Sunday. It is the first Sunday of December 2023, and I put up a poll yesterday because it's Lather Catcher Sunday over on Toast. I didn't do it last month, so I'm going to do it this month. And what that is, the first Sunday of every month, you do a lather catcher shave, and you post up your your shave of the day with it. And you guys voted. I'm going to use the 1901 Gem Junior. Yeah, I'll go over this razor a little bit for the newer people. Won't make it too long. But for a blade I'm going to be using that Gem Persona PFE coated stainless blade. This is on its 20th shave, which is very impressive. White Rook, who's active on Badger and Blade and Toast and other places, he said, oh, he got a lot more than that, and I believe him now. We'll see how long it goes for me. All right, for a brush, I'm going to use a DS Cosmetics Barber Pole Tuxedo. The gold has come. I noticed that. I was looking. It used to have gold inlay in there. It's gone, but that's fine. This is an awesome synthetic knot. I really like it. Tuxedo. I feel I can get my lather more consistent with this. For soap, I'm going to be using the 49 to 50 Schulten Old Spice. And that's what the cake's looking like. It's still got a small hint of it. And I'll show you the bottom for the new people. And I think I might even have a photo. I'll check. If not, I'll insert it so you can see and read it. I've got my other Schulten Old Spice mug because it's got hot water in it. Got Dickinson's Witch Hazel for the post shave. And I've got new Old Spice. I just told you guys I was going to ask my brother. He wouldn't. No. That's my original Old Spice. So he's very. He didn't want to let me use it. So I'll just use the classic stuff. It's fine. Just a little weaker. Alright. Before I load a blade in this, I want to show you guys something with this that is a kind of a bone of contention. I don't understand why with these razors with the bar. This bar was not meant to really hold the blade. It was more of an after of, byproduct. What that bar was meant for, and I have one here. I went and I got one of my wedge blades out. It was meant to hold wedge blades. I have one here. This is a later Canfey Brothers blade. Got to be careful because this is the one I sharpened. It's sharp, but it's not shave sharp. It says Canfey Brothers Star USA, and it's got the 3 stars. And just to show you, because there's two little, you can notice there's 2 little tabs on the bar, and that's the angle of the wedge blade what's supposed to be. But you have to be careful with this razor because, as you can see, it has very small stops. And that's it. That's what it's meant to do right there. That's what the bar does. And you can see them tabs follow the angle of that wedge blade perfectly. So let me get the Gem PFE coated blade in, and I'll start a lather here. This razor, well, this particular one example, you need to be very careful because it has a tendency to come off of the stops, which is not good, and they just did it to me there. So this might be an interesting shave. I'm going to take my time. Okay. It's on the stops. There it is. Okay, blade loaded up. Let's start a lather. Let me get this wedge blade out of the way because it's carbon steel. Don't want it to get wet. I've got some Folgers today. We ran out of Cafe Bustelo Black. They're not as strong. I like my coffee strong. I haven't figured that out yet. One to wake me up. I'm just going to face lather today. I should try bull lathering this stuff at some point. I mean, it's easy enough to just load this up. I'll try not to talk so much during this one. Got a couple days worth of growth, nothing special. And if you are looking to get into lather catchers, this is the mildest of them. I've only got 3 lather catchers. So I can't talk about the Eagle and the other models and the other Canfrey Brothers, the Star Razors. I've only got the prototype, so. Oh man, this stuff lather so nice. If you can't lather this soap, there's something wrong. Alright. Oh. Okay. First pass, the angle on this. And what constitutes a lather catcher's got to have an open top. So. You can see the angle. Excuse me. So where you need to be careful because the latch, you can whack it on your nose, and with this one being so weak. But this razor's 120 plus years old. So I'll give it a break. There's the whole pass. Make sure everything's even. Okay. Get the second pass going. Yeah, I might have to do a cleanup pass, but that's okay. More water. I mean, look at this stuff. Awesome soap. I really need to ration it out because I went looking to find, I found a replacement puck. I did, but it's $50. This vintage Old Spice does not go cheap. And that was the Schulten, the early stuff, not the later 70s stuff. Okay, against the grain. Get rid of that. It's not bad. Yeah, I need a cleanup pass. Just checking. I don't want that coming off the stops. Yep. That's BBS. Awesome. So, 20 shaves. Blade still going strong. You rinse up real quick. Oh, that soap still got slickness to it. Even, yeah. Wow. Good soap. Alright, let's see any cuts. No. Okay, Dickinson's Witch Hazel. Not feeling any burn. And lastly, classic Old Spice. You can get it just about anywhere if you live in the US. I gotta order some of the Indian stuff, which is more like the original. Totally forgot about it Black Friday. Yep, no irritation. Awesome shave. If I had to give this one a rating, yeah, not 10 out of 10. I mean, yeah, I could really chase BBS and make it a 10 out of 10. I'd give it a 9.5 out of 10. Awesome shave. Yeah. So there's Lather Catcher Sunday done with the Gem Junior. Yeah, it is a little I just rinse the blade off. And then I dry it out. Let the razor dry out. I don't put it right in the cases where I keep it. I don't want mold growing in there. So, no, if you're looking for one of them, the only place you can really find them seen is eBay. They come up periodically. You can get a shaver grade like this one. I paid, what was it, 20-something bucks if you really search for them, if you're interested in them. You can put different handles on these. I won't unscrew this one, but they do unscrew. And you can get custom handles, and some of the replaters will replate these as well. They're brass, they're well made, old school made. Just be careful with that spring you see behind there. That's up in there. That's a spring that controls the bar and everything. So, yep, that's it. Lather Catcher Sunday done. I'll have a shave up in a week or so. I'm gonna take a week off. My other grandmother passed away, so been this year's been kind of crap when it comes to loss. I mean, you know, far distance, so it's not like I'm going to a funeral or anything. But so yeah. So I'll see you guys in a week or so. I hope you guys have great shaves out there. Appreciate you watching. Yeah. I'll be on Badger and Blade if you need, or Toast if you need to get a hold of me. Channel contact, like I said, is cdinvt802 at gmail.com. I will see you guys in a week. Take care and happy shaves out there.